So now it's tacked. Just have to wait for that to cool off, take the bolt out, and then let it down and pull it out. And then weld it up fully. Well, I got this off. That part sticking out was interfering, so I've moved it. Those are the bolts that had to be taken out. Very difficult to get in past there, the body. So I welded up this extension to take off. They had welded it together here, but it had the part where they joined together just welded in, so I took that off and re-welded it to make one long piece, because the clearance is such that only this width is allowed to pass through by these flanges from the bottom.